Here's a certified 2017 Mercedes-Benz GLS. The standards set by the GL class meld with the standards set by the S class for another step forward in luxury. The interior is richly appointed, the performance dignified, and its ease luxurious. It comes nicely equipped with features you love: automatic transmission, height adjustable automatic with driver control suspension, streaming audio, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rearview mirror, external memory control, remote engine start, power tilting steering column, auto tilt-away steering column, and twin-turbo V6 engine. Mercedes-Benz keeps setting the standard and driving forward. Hurry in today for a test drive.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,